I'm out and about and just trying to explore Moscow. Today my plan is to visit the Red Square, the Kremlin, but I don't have enough Russian rubles with me because today it's a Sunday and most of the money changers are closed. My Russian ruble is enough to buy me a unlimited ride, a metro ride for today, for the whole day. So I'm not sure, and I don't have money anymore for food. I have dollars with me, but most of the money changers are closed on Sunday. So we'll see how I will survive this day. But I brought banana and hard-boiled eggs with me. So yeah, let's see. Look how beautiful Moscow is. All right, let's survive the day. It's windy, aren't you? So saan ang Kremlin? Ang ganda. Oh, ang ganda. Where's Red Square? Wait lang. Kailangan natin si Google Maps. Okay, let's follow the crowd na lang. Oh, so beautiful. Amazing. Amazing, no? I don't know the names, but this is the Red Square now. This is the State Historical Museum. Ah, this is the park. Oh my God! Look! Hala, ayun na. Guys. I'm in the Red Square. Hala! Look. Look, nakikita nyo ba ang nakikita ko? That's the St. Basil's Cathedral. Whoa. It's a dream come true. And this is the... Wala, nawala yung mga binasa ko. Basta dito yung office ng President of Russia. Si Vladimir Putin. I'm not sure kung dyan siya nagstay. Oh, this is Moscow. Moscow. Whoa. Amazing. Amazing. Wow. Ganda. Super ganda. And we're heading to St. Basil's Cathedral. Whoa. Amazing. Dream come true. Christmas. May mga pine trees. This is a fortified, yeah. Putin. Ah, this is the GUM market. Let's go there later. Good thing, ano siya, gloomy, hindi siya mainit. Wala akong pera eh. Pwede pumasok dyan, pero wala na kasi akong pera. Next time na lang ha. Next time na lang tayo papasok dyan. Dapat maaga dito pumunta para walang tao, ano? As early as 4:30. 4:30 ang sunrise dito. So, wow! Sa magazine ko lang ito nakikita before! Sa magazine ko lang yan nakikita. Musta naman ang hawak ko? Wow! Wow! We are so here. Look! Grabe! Grabe! It's a dream come true! Whoa! So pretty. Can you believe that? I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. Saan ang kamay ko? I'm here. Oh, amazing. Moscow. Oh, it's overwhelming. It's actually the worst time of the day to take photos is like 12 afternoon. Because of the sun position. Yeah, it's not really nice to take photos at this time. But this is amazing. Let's relax here for a while. Ang ganda, no? Everything is picturesque. Let's find this. Okay, mainit. Let's find the money changer. Let's go to the GUM market. It's a mall na expensive because of the brands. So we'll see if there is a money changer there na open. Tayo na tubig. Wow, kakapagod. But then kailangan ko ng CR after this. Pahinga lang tayo. Look at my view. Ilok sa'yo ang view ko, ha? Oh, ha? Then, oh. Pero, ang baon, dahil budget tayo, wait lang. Meron tayong saging, tsaka itlog dyan, di ba? In front of St. Basil's Cathedral and the GUM market over there. Red Square, Kremlin. How cool is that? We learn to appreciate things and be grateful because life is beautiful. Thank you, God, for this opportunity, for making my dreams come true. Wow, ganda pala. Amazing. So this is the GUM market. Ito yung mga branded nila. Nandito yung Soviet ice cream. Kaso wala akong pera. Hanap muna tayo ng ito yung Soviet ice cream. Oh. Magkano? 150 lang naman. Mamaya, try natin. Hanap muna ako ng money changer. Oh, ha? Dito ng mga branded na mga ano tayo ng CR. The problem is hindi gumagana yung mga machine. Hindi gumagana yung card na issue outside Russia. Lahat ng Visa at Mastercard na na-issue outside Russia, hindi siya gumagana dito. So, yung mga cards lang na issued within Russia ang gumagana. So, I need to change money because I bought only cash with me. Pag na-pickpocket ako, wala na. Mahirap ano pag nakasanction yung country. Daming limitations. Pinagkaguluhan tong fountain na to. Hala, fresh fruits. Kaso wala akong pera. Hala, watermelon. Oo ha. O diba, watermelon ang nakalagay. Tapos merong fruit ano dito stand. Baka dyan gano'n. Kinukuha niya yung watermelon dyan. Tapos ayan, may watermelon kasi dun. Sige. Sige. Diba? Trending. Mas luxury pa sa Qatar na ang mall. Pero parang ano kasi siya eh. Soviet style. Yung structure niya. Diba? Pati ang music. Mapachacha ka na lang. Cha-cha-cha. Chara-cha-cha-cha-cha. May bayad ng CR, 100 rubles. 100 rubles. Ayoko nga magbayad. Oh, ha? Pagod. Look, meron silang historic toilet. Pero syempre, mahal ang bayad. Historic din. Try natin tong Soviet style ice cream. Gusto mo? Gusto nyo. Gusto nyo yan, di ba? Ang sabi daw, na-retain nila yung recipe ng old, ng Soviet era.
What kind of ice cream do you want?
Blueberry?
Blueberry. Like currant.
You don't have blueberry?
Like currant, like...
Okay.
Do you have cash?
Ha?
Cash.
Cash? Yeah, I have cash.
150.
Back lang to. 150?
150.
Tamis. Ito na yon. Nothing special. Naks. Normal. Apay na maupuan. 150 rubles. Wala na ngang natirang pera. Nag-ice cream pa. At sabay-sabay tayong mauhaw mamaya. Harap. Mainit kasi yung panahon dito. Mainit yung panahon. Mainit ang mall na to, walang AC. O diba, pinipilahan yung Soviet ice cream. We're going out because merong daw part dito na may suspended bridge. Nakita ang view of the Kremlin and the St. Basil's Cathedral. Grabe, hindi umuupa yung turista. It's called Park, I don't know, Park Zaryadye. Let's go. I reached the park, but wala. Natabunan ang view. But look, a lot of people are going here just to see, but there's nothing to see actually. So, kahingal pa naman. It's a prank. Mag-slide ako dito, ewan ko na lang. So parang pag naglalakad ka dito, ito yung view mo. Ayan. I think this is famous during World Cup. I'm pretty sure it's very beautiful in the evening, so I'll try my best to come here in the evening with all the lights, because they say Kremlin is also a must see in the evening. So yeah, let's visit in the evening. Also, it's one ride away from my apartment. Kapagod. Pagod maglakad. Dapat bakasyon to eh. Ha? Dapat relax lang to eh. Pero ang mga lakarin, grabe. Hi, I'm back. We're going back to Kremlin. Time now is at 8:20. So sunset is 8:30. So it gets dark after that. So we're going back to Kremlin just to see how it looks like in the evening. Today, bumili man ako ng unlimited rides in one day. So that would be fine. Metro rides, I mean. Oh, diba? There's a band here. Ganda dito street na to. Maraming mga street performers. Pakita ko sa inyo Russian ladies are very beautiful. Daming magaganda dito. Kahit mga ordinaryong tao lang, mamamayan. Ang lalim mamamayan. Ordinaryong mamamayan lang. Mapa-waitress man, taga-punas ng mesa. Ang gaganda. Okay, tawid tayo. Punta tayo ng metro. Walking distance lang yung metro sa amin. Sa apartment. Oh, there's another street performer here. Galing ano? Chill lang. Normal na pamumuhay. People will advise you na don't go to Russia because it's dangerous. May gera. This is yung yes, may gera pero malayo. This is yan yung mga gawa ng media ba? False information. Pag sinabing Russia, gera agad. Which is, I'm the living proof na it's very safe. country. It's my second day here now. Galing. Oh, another street performer. Here na sa metro station. Let's go. Oh, ang dami ng tao. Rush hour kasi. Siyempre nakalimutan ko na kung saan ako sumakay kanina, di ba? Let's double check. Saan ako sumakay kanina? Oh, ang dami na ring tao. Di ba? I made it here without navigation. Diyan na yung tren. We are here. Oh, rush hour ngayon. Tingnan nyo, ha? Daming magaganda. Kita nyo ba? Tingnan nyo, maraming magaganda. Maraming magaganda. Siyempre hindi yung nanay. Maganda din yung nanay. Tsaka ang sexy pa. Magaganda na, ang sexy pa. Tsaka may mga, I don't know, mga goth. Meron akong nakita kanina mga gothic sila manamit. Weird lang. Or maybe, weird lang kay galing ako sa Middle East na conservative. Dami magaganda. Anyway, dito na tayo palabas. So, let's avoid the police, because normally, hotel or ang accommodation nyo, they would register you na dyan ka nagstay sa kanila. But then, Saturday and Sunday man, I think the government is closed. Ang processing ba? So, and ang mga police, they would check that migration, not migration card. They would check the registration card randomly. So, to avoid hassle sa part ko, I'm avoiding the police. I'll stay under the radar para wala problema. And I don't have cash right now. My only cash is how much? 150 rubles. And that's not enough. 150 rubles is, I don't know, maybe 2 bottles of water. I'm not sure. Anyway. That is my view. Oh, tingnan nyo. Okay. So I'm here na sa evening lang. Dami. They like to sit sa park, no? I think it's like a memorial sa mga fallen soldiers. These are the names ng mga soldiers. Let's see if we can identify them. The pine trees are pining. Let me get my translation. Whoa, nag-light up na. Mga pangalan pala to ng mga lugar I need to read more about this. Remember the mall na pinuntahan natin this morning? Ayun, nailaw na siya. And that is the St. Basil's Cathedral. Oh, di ba? Iba-iba siya sa gabi, ano? That's why. Let's have a seat for a while. Soak it in. Ganda, no? Actually, the main reason I want to go here is because of this one. Di ba? Sabi ko, pabalikan natin. But I want to sit down first. Okay. Upo tayo doon. So that means, ano oras na? 9 o'clock na in the evening. Imagine this area pag winter. It's covered by snow. Amazing, no? Tapos puno ang... amazing. This is a fortress. Oh, ang gaganda ng mga Russia na tingnan mo. Sabi sa inyo eh. Ano naman yung alay? Kayo. Nasabi ko sa inyo. Ano yung maniwala? Kayo. Alright, nakaupo lang tayo dito ngayon. Yan o. Pero yung background ko. Saan yung background ko? Yun. Yeah. Kapagod. A lot of people are sitting also. Right, so this is the main reason why we went back here. Just to see this one na umiilaw. I read, during World Cup daw, pinaghihila daw to ng mga tao kasi medyo mababa daw to before. So ayun, na abot nila. So ngayon medyo tinaas nila yung eto, mga lights na to. Kasi nga nasira, di ba? Hala, si Lola. Nagbabandurya. Hala, si Lola nagbabandurya. Oh, amazing. Di ba? Si Lola nyo, nagbabandurya pa.
Dami na listanin, budu bez galasami. Plastic shots, idziemy dami na Tomas, nie na gaz. Proszę zwieść, nie zacięta, proszę no. Ja panu nogą sama, ty nie sama.
Uwi na.
Осторожно, двери закрываются. Следующая станция Арбатская. Для вашей безопасности.
Alam ko ng mga pasikot-sikot dito. And I hope na ma-change nila ang dollars ko because I tried to change kanina $200. They say it's UV activated daw. So hindi nila pwedeng i-change. Gosh, pag wala akong pera, patay ako dito. Wala na akong pera. Dollars na. Hopefully tomorrow ma-change. Merong bangko na mag-change. I'm very worried actually right now because I brought with me $800. Then kanina, yung $200 is hindi pwedeng i-exchange because it's UV activated daw. Marami sila, mabusisi sila. Then, so I still have like $600 to try tomorrow. Then super tipid. Pag maka-change ako kahit $100 lang. Tipid. My God. I still need to go to St. Petersburg Good thing about this trip is I paid everything. The accommodation, my domestic flight, and my German friend told me na the domestic flight that I will take, Aeroflot, was hacked by Ukraine, na cyber hack daw. So ayun, I need to check again tomorrow because I cannot access the website. Hindi ko ma-access yung website nila. And I'm very worried. Maybe I have to stay here in Moscow. Ibayad na ang accommodation ko for St. Petersburg. We'll see. Lord God, Mama Mary, please help me. I'm very, very worried right now. Good thing nagluto ko adobo for this second day. This is my third, nagluto ko adobo yesterday. So good thing na I cook a lot and meron pang leftover. So yan ang dinner ko for tonight. Oh my God. Daming bulilyasa sa trip na to. Alright, so let's go. I'm here na. Home sweet home. So that's it for today. Pagod. See you on the next vlog.